I posted a video a day or so ago called My Most Important Message. It got quite a bit of views. It got 500 views, I think, within the first 24 hours. And I needed your help. I told you guys that in that particular video, and you came through for me. I really appreciate it. I want to make a little thank you message for all of you guys who watched that video and went to my BitChute channel and became a subscriber. I think I had like 75 subscribers when I made that video, and now I have about 130. So it means a lot to me that you guys not only watched the video, but you went over to BitChute and actually created an account and went through the account approval process and subscribed to my channel. That's awesome. This ensures a continuity of my message, and it ensures my ability to still reach you guys and be able to communicate with you if for some reason my channel is pulled. So YouTube's terms and services is very malleable. It's like liquid. It's actually like liquid that turns into ice, but unfortunately YouTube, they constantly take the ice tray out of the freezer and thaw it out and turn it back into water. So the terms and services, folks, the rules and regulations on YouTube can be one way, 1 month, and then 6 months down the road, it can be completely changed, and the new terms and services can actually contradict the rules that were laid prior. So unfortunately for a lot of us creators, we've made videos that, although they were okay with they were allowed in relation to the old terms and services, they're not with the new terms and services. So there's a lot of stuff going on and a lot of changes going on right now on YouTube and social media at large, ladies and gentlemen. There are just droves of people, there's just so many people, leaving YouTube, leaving Facebook, leaving Twitter, and going to places like Parler and Rumble. And I'm gonna have a Rumble website here in a few days, ladies and gentlemen. Once I get back to California, I'm flying from Virginia back to California this Saturday. So when I get back, I'll create a Rumble account. And I'm also going to be doing more car videos. For some reason, a lot of you guys have made suggestions like, where's the car videos? I missed the car videos. And I guess there's a particular nostalgia to those videos as well. I mean, I miss doing them as well. But I ended up actually selling the Volvo. Probably 4 months ago, I ended up selling the Volvo. It was old, you guys. So I'm not going to be doing car videos in the Volvo. I'm going to be doing car videos in a new video, a Mitsubishi Montero. So you guys will have that to look forward to. I'm going to be in California for about 2 months, and I plan on making a ton of videos. So for you guys who enjoy the car videos, and there's actually quite a bit of you guys, you're going to get a ton of car videos. But I just think it's awesome that so many of you guys went over to my BitChute channel and subscribed. I was literally just sitting there, and like every hour I would refresh my subscriber count, and there'd be like 10, 15, sometimes even 16 or 17 new subscribers. It felt really good. That's the type of stuff that fills my cup up from the inside. Excuse me, I don't even know what the hell I'm saying. It makes me feel good is what I'm saying. So, you know, a lot of us who are being threatened by the new terms and services, a lot of us want to just delete our YouTube channels, but we don't want to delete our connection to you guys. I was talking to my wife about this yesterday. It's like, God, I'm surprised more people just aren't so fed up that they leave. And we got on to talking about, yeah, but it's not necessarily about the platform. It's about the subscribers. It's about caring for the subscribers. I never thought in my wildest dreams when I first started these videos that they would be able to reach so many people. And even though my videos only get about 1,000 views or less a month, each new video, I've been able to manage to reach about 2.5 million people according to my analytics. And there's been, I think, almost 175,000 hours of watch time. That's a lot. So never underestimate the power of your voice, and never underestimate the size, ladies and gentlemen, of your platform, because even the smaller channels like mine, I don't even have 20,000 subscribers. I've been able, according to my analytics, to reach people in the United States, people in India, people in Africa, people in Egypt, ladies and gentlemen, people in China, just everywhere. So never underestimate the power of your voice, ladies and gentlemen. Because even if you reach a small amount of people, you might change those people's lives. So we're up against a censorship beast, ladies and gentlemen. But the good thing that's coming from this is these social media platforms are getting a lot of scrutiny. And I'm just going to say this right now to all the censorship. What's going to end up happening if you guys don't change is your platforms, YouTube, Facebook, etc. You keep banning conservatives, you keep banning people who have a message outside of your little, rules and regulations. What you're going to end up doing is you're going to end up just getting rid of the skeleton of your platform. These platforms were made by everyone, and for you, how would I explain this? It's kind of difficult to explain. These platforms were made great by the idea of freedom of speech. There used to be some great content on YouTube. But once Alex Jones was kicked off of YouTube, it kind of created this downhill cascade or avalanche effect, and there was just so much banning, ladies and gentlemen, and it's almost reached a climax right now, where all sorts of people who have great messages are being deleted, just gone. What's going to happen? What's going to be left on your platforms? Just a bunch of mindless entertainment and non-beneficial content? A bunch of podcasts and garbage that doesn't inspire people to become better, or, this is just ridiculous. So what's going to happen is that you guys are going to delete so many people that what's going to be left is just this SJW, mindless entertainment, woke mob garbage. And your platforms are going to just die, unfortunately. No one's going to want to be on them anymore. Someone else is going to create a new video sharing platform, and it's going to get huge. Censorship is one of the most disgusting things, ladies and gentlemen. But I don't want to make this some huge rant. I just wanted to make a thank you video to all of you who went over to my BitChute and made an account and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the fence about doing it, I know a bunch of people keep saying, oh, I'm going to do it soon, well, you might want to act now, because I don't know how long I'm going to be on here, and you never know. So thank you, you guys, and until next time, peace be with you all. I wanted to personally thank you for watching my videos and contributing to the growth of my channel. I could not do this without you, and your interest in my content is truly what motivates me and fuels my passion for making these videos and spreading my message. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wanted to remind you that this channel is a free educational tool that is listener supported, and if you would like to donate to my channel and donate to my cause, help make my life a little bit easier and help keep the lights on around here, you can do so by checking out the links in the description box below. There's a handful of not only ways to donate to my channel, but I also have links to different websites and different videos of mine, as well as my Amazon store, where you can check out a plethora of different health-related products that I use and recommend. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your continued interest in my message, and until next time, peace be with you all.